In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my PIN in Windows 11. This process is straightforward and will help you keep your device secure. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. This action opens the settings window. You will see a clean interface with various options available. This is an essential starting point because the settings menu is where you manage your device preferences. If you look closely, you will notice that the settings are organized into categories for easy navigation. This makes it simpler for you to find the options you need. Next, look for the Accounts option in the left sidebar and click on it. Once you select Accounts, the main section will update to show account-related settings. Here, you can manage everything from your account details to sign-in options. This step is crucial because you need to access the sign-in settings where your PIN is located. A well-managed account helps in keeping your personal information safe and secure. From there, select Sign-in options on the right side of the window. The Sign-in options page will display various ways you can log into your device. You will find settings for password, fingerprint, and facial recognition, in addition to your PIN. Selecting this option is important as it allows you to modify how you authenticate your identity on the device, ensuring that only you have access. Now click on PIN Windows Hello to expand the menu. This section will reveal additional options related to your PIN. By expanding this menu, you will be able to see the settings that pertain specifically to your PIN configuration. Understanding this section is vital because it directly affects how you secure access to your device. Once you expand it, you'll immediately see the options available for managing your PIN. Next up, click the Change PIN button. This action prompts the system to prepare for your new PIN setup. After clicking this button, a new window will appear. It will guide you through the steps to update your PIN. This step is significant because it initiates the process of changing your PIN, which will enhance your security if your previous PIN has become compromised. After that, enter your current PIN, then type your new PIN twice to confirm it. The first entry is to verify your identity, while the second ensures you've entered your new PIN accurately. You'll want to choose a PIN that is memorable but not easily guessed. This step is critical as it ensures that you have control over your access credentials and adds an extra layer of security to your device. Once that is done, click OK to save the changes. This finalizes your new PIN setup and ensures that your device is secure with your updated credentials. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your PIN has been successfully changed. This reassurance confirms that you have successfully completed the process without any issues. In summary, changing your PIN in Windows 11 is a vital task that enhances your device security. Following these steps ensures you have the latest access credentials, keeping your information safe. Remember, a strong PIN is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.